Today at Mentor Schools we're having the 6th annual Think Manufacturing Expo in Lake County.
It's a collaboration of the 3 chambers of commerce in Lake County and the AWT.
Manufacturing is booming right now, and we just don't have enough people to run machines, to design products, to do our accounting, our IT, everything across the board. So we're trying to recruit all these high school students so that when they do get out of high school, they've got a place to come work.
We've got about 40 manufacturers that are here today, and about 600 students from 15 schools.
And then also in the paradigm, we have workshops. One of them is based on interview skills and skills that they need or required to obtain a job. And then we have actual professionals and employers coming in, talking to them about in-demand jobs and what they are. So right behind me right now, that's our CNC instructor. He's also an adjunct faculty at Lakeland. And then in addition to that, there's a panel discussion with young manufacturers to actually talk to the kids and relate to them.
110%.
I heard an employer actually say it, and I heard a student say it, and they said, you know, this isn't my grandpa's manufacturing. These are clean, advanced manufacturing fields and careers that they are just getting exposed to.
Our facility is air conditioned. You're running a CNC machine where you're hitting buttons on the outside, you're loading and unloading a part. So you can dress in nice clothes, run the CNC machine, and make some really cool stuff every day.
One of the big things that we push at Mentor Schools is that we don't try to designate or decide for kids what options or what paths they should be doing. Our job is to provide them opportunities, and it's their choice to decide what opportunities they want to do. So who should be exposed to manufacturing? Everybody. And then ultimately, if kids want to go down that path, that's great. But when people think manufacturing, there's a lot of different pathways in there. You need accountants. You need all these different fields. You need business managers. You don't just need skill, and we do need CNC, and we do need welding. But you'll realize that these companies are extensive. So when who should be here to meet with 50 employers out of Lake County, the biggest employers? Everybody.
It's a dual purpose. It's for the kids that are immediately looking for jobs, but it's also for those kids who don't know anything about manufacturing. And they could be out on the floor, they could be welding, but they could also be in human resources, they could be in marketing, they could be in procurement. There's a lot of different careers in manufacturing.
I had a really great conversation with the company known as Buyers that's right around here. I'm part of the CT Marketing Business Administration program, and so I was able to network with them and maybe have a future internship with them next year. So it was great to get to know, okay, they're hiring, they would be open to hiring a high school student for a full-time internship and all this stuff. So it was really great to get to know them and get my name out there.
I just got done with the student Trent, and this guy is just eager to get out in the workforce. He's a senior, he's at Lakeland Community College right now, taking the tech classes, learning how to manufacture parts. Perfect for our industry. So I talked to him, and I'm trying to have him come do a job shadow for a day. He says, I can come to work as an intern right now. I'm like, perfect. Come work with us for a couple of days a week, couple hours a week, whatever it is, and then when he graduates, he can come work for us full time, and we've just recruited a great person right here in Lake County.
We did it! We did it! Yes!
Our job is to help bridge that gap. And we're being able to not only bring them together to meet with the students, but to work with the schools so we can better understand what is the skill sets that we need to be teaching these students to make them employable.
Manufacturing is the biggest sector of business here in Lake County. Anywhere from 15 to 20%, depending on the community, is driven by manufacturing careers. If our manufacturers are not sustainable and they can't find these entry-level workers, it's going to affect all of us. It's going to have a trickle-down effect to everyone. So that really is a priority for us.
They talk about all these other places about how they're building stuff. It's right here in Lake County. And to support that, we need all these people in Lake County to get the jobs in Lake County.